This may be you. Say you're in a different industry and design isn't your primary means of income. But whether by curiosity or necessity, you're just now getting into it. How do you begin? How do you even start to think like a designer? Well, as a human being and as a designer, one of the first things I do when I learn another industry or get to know another industry is learn what's important to the industry and learn the language of the industry. And since we're learning to think like a designer, I'll share a few things as a designer. The important thing to me is to make things look nice. But even that has a bigger purpose, and that purpose has multiple levels. On a superficial level, we want to make things look nice, so you'll buy from us. On a psychological level, we want to look credible and we want to look trustworthy. On a marketing level, we want information to be easy to find and follow and easy to access. On this marketing level is where it gets important to learn the language. Designers know the elements and principles of design. These are the building blocks of design and how to use them. And we know how these elements and principles make our marketing materials more effective. We know that visual hierarchy influences the order in which the human eye sees elements or building blocks within a composition. And we know that movement is the elements an artist uses to guide the viewer's eye in, through, and out of the composition. And we also know these are important because they are what guide our viewers' eyes through our content to our call to action and ultimately to become customers. I think this is probably what sets graphic design apart from fine art. The purpose of graphic design is to solve a problem or to achieve an objective. And in business, the end objective is often, directly or indirectly, to make sales. If you want to try your hand at graphic design and learn how to create your own marketing materials for any platform, but need to know how to use the right software, check out the link to my course, Learn Affinity Publisher, below. In the course, I teach you the skills and resources you need to make your ideas come to life. If you have any other questions for a designer that you would like me to answer, please leave them in the comments below. For more tips and tricks, please like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and stay creative.